Well, I ordered my 6-panel kit, 6-switch kit from Painless for the mop project. And you get a flyer that right. This will fit perfect in the mop project. Well, I ordered the 6-switch panel from Jegs. So we're gonna see what all it comes with. The reason I ordered Painless because it comes with the wiring loom already. It's already wired on the back. You don't have to go through and figure out what everything is. They light, fuel pump, water pump, electric fan. Comes with 2 accessory switches. I really like it. It's going to fit perfect up in the dash. It looks like probably take the place of the radio. Not that it has one. Ooh, it comes with some fuses in it too. Odd looking fuse. Panel. Comes with a bunch of the little zip ties. A couple bigger ones. Comes with all your electrical connectors that you need. Oh, stickers. Gotta love stickers. Tickets. Shows you how to wire it with 2 pieces of 1 piece of paper printed on both sides. This is a switch kit 5406. If you can read that. I'm a little shaky for some reason today. I think I'm getting a cold. But this is going to run all my accessories for, obviously you got your starter, ignition on off. Now the fuel pump, I don't know why, I guess it just, once we get it hooked up we'll find out. I guess it just runs the pump for a second to prime it, or on. I do like this, it has a water pump and an electric fan on, or it just has the single. Well, isn't that nifty? And you got your regular couple accessories, you know. So the Fairmont's going to push start now. Well, that was an interesting unbox. It's a pretty simple kit. I thought it was going to be a little more to it, but I guess that's why they call it painless wiring. I do like it comes with the big heavy gauge wire for everything. And everything is color coded, which is good. Sure, fix any level, fix level easily, blah 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 blah, accessory fuel pump. So this is going to fit perfect. Perfect. I'm going to show you how to actually wire one of these in, because nobody does that. I'm going to try to show you how to wire one in, because I've been trying and trying and trying, and nobody wants to actually show one of these being wired in. But it does come with a nice long loom of wire, so you can wire it to everything. think this was $189 worth of discount they had going on this week because it's Mother's Day. Cool beans, man. And if you look at it, it gives you a color-coded guide to what goes where battery. So everything's already wired on the backs of these, so you don't have to go through and wire all these switches. That's why I went ahead and ordered this. You can order all this stuff individual for your needs or whatever and just put them in the dash. But this one comes on nice. It's all labeled. The switches light up. You don't have to go through all this crap. So it's gonna be awesome. Step closer to actually doing this car right instead of dilly-dallying with it the way I have been the past couple decades. Yes, it's probably been 20 years since that car's actually ran.